I just want to say one thing. Annabelle's just made this soup. It's butternut squash, sage
And honey.
and she says a dash of cream.
A dribble.
A dribble, but it feels like a whole pint because it's, oh my God, delicious. And she's going to put the recipe up on the website.
But butternut squash, I've got to say it, butternut squash is quite creamy, isn't it? When you liquidize it, it becomes, you know, quite creamy. It's not a crunchy vegetable. So
No.
So
But she has made one huge mistake, I have to tell you. She didn't make enough.
well, I made enough, but I gave some to my husband who is working from home. You probably can hear crunching because he's had his with crackers. We were good and just had the soup.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm making mine last as long as possible.
So what other recipes have we got coming up? Have you got any good ones?
Yes, we've had some game recipes. I've done one for partridge and one for grouse. For the
And you
country.
did that, sorry to interrupt, you did that wonderful Thai fragrant fish
Yes.
pie.
Now, can I just say about that? That is a surefire winner. If you're like me and you don't like guests in the kitchen, and where else do they hover? It's absolutely the easiest thing. I made all the base before, put it in the fridge, just crumpled up some filo pastry on the top, put it in the oven for 15 minutes. Everybody loved it. I didn't have enough.
So you didn't have potato on the top?
No,
Isn't
and it's
that-
really healthy.
Yeah, that's the funny thing is I went to a lunch party or dinner party and somebody did a fish pie and it didn't have potato on top. She had, I think, she just had cheese and breadcrumbs, something like that.
Delicious.
Yeah, it was delicious. So I think, you know, there's alternatives, aren't there?
So do look at our recipes. We've got well over 600, and we've tried, one of us, or a friend of ours, has cooked every single one and made sure it works and it's easy for us busy women.
Yeah, we've got vegetarian ones and vegan ones even, because some of my kids have gone that way. So there's something for everybody. Lots of cakes and biscuits, things like that, because we do love that.
Naughty.
Okay, thanks.
Bye.
Bye.